Alright, so here is a little play along slash breakdown of the song Come Out and Play. You guys can check out the original. Here I have it here, the link, and you guys can learn how to do this. If you guys already know how to do that, then that's all good. I also have the chords in the, let's see, comment section. Yeah, I have the chords in the comment section. You guys can also follow along that way. So one thing that I did want to note from the other tutorial, the strum pattern sucks, and I know that. So what we're gonna do is use another one which kind of matches this. So with that, we're gonna do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so C, you can end on C major 7 because that's the chord that we use, and then also F. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, and then to F. And then also, if you don't want to stop, you can just keep strumming that same pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so I'm going to actually play the track, and hopefully you guys can hear this. I'll try to make it a little loud. But yeah, let's try and play along with it. So this is the intro. Add the strumming. Okay, so and then that part is D minor to G7 and C to E. You guys can play E like this. Oh, sorry. Oh no, not like that. There's E, so C, E to A minor. And the substitute for the E, you could do E minor if you want to. So. And it goes back to D minor and then G7. Okay, so I'm gonna rewind that a little, and here you go. So that was the same strum pattern. Now the next section here, you're just gonna go down strums. And then C. Sorry, yeah, so it's C, E minor to F. Okay, so here you go. C major 7. So you can do the strumming. minor. So it goes. And that is how you play the song. So hopefully that clears up from my other tutorial. Don't forget to check out the chords in the comment section, and check out the other tutorial, the other video. I should have it somewhere around here where you guys can learn how to do the